Now see children, I am taking another example. What is the another example? 63 and 84. Okay, this also I am telling you by which method, by factor method, how to find HCF and LCM. Now see, first of all we will find the factors of 63. Now 63 means 3 is what? It is a odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2, it will be divisible by 3 only. So 21 times gives us 63. Okay, now see again, here 21, it will be divisible by 3 and 7. So 3 7 times gives us 21. 3 7 times gives us 21, it is divisible. Now see 3, this is the prime number, this is also the prime number, and 7 is also a prime number. Okay, now we are coming to 84. In 84 you can see that the last digit is 2, it means it is our even number. Even number means it will be divisible by 2. So 2 how many times gives us 84? 242 times gives us 84. In the same manner here also you can see 2 is the last digit and it is also an even number, so it will be divisible by 2 once again. So 21 times gives us 42. Clear? And again 21 last digit is 1, it is not divisible by 2, so it is an odd number. So we will move on to the next prime number, that is 3. So 3 7s are 21. So what are the factors over here? We can see 2, 2, 3 and 7 all are prime numbers. Okay, so let us move on here. We are coming here and we will write all the numbers like 63. What were the numbers? Prime numbers 3, 3 and 7. So 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. In the same manner we will come for 84. Now in 84 we can see here, when we are coming to 84, what are the numbers? 2, again 2, 2 times 2, 3 and 7. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Now how to find HCF? As I told you in the previous example, that what we will do, we have to find the common what? Common factors. Okay, so here this 3 is coming in 63 as well, this 3 is also coming here in 84, so we are circling this. Now here when we are coming to 3, this 3 is coming in 63 but it is not coming in 84, so we will not take this, we have marked as cross. Now we are coming to 7. 7 is common in both the numbers, 63 as well as 84. So 3 multiplied by 7 gives us 21. So this 21 is our HCF. Okay, but when we are coming to LCM, again in LCM we will write in the same manner, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 and 84, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. But how to find out LCM? Let us see. I have told you how to prepare the format. You will write 2, 3 and 7. These are the multiples, these are the factors which are found in 63 as well as in 84. So here suppose I am writing 63 here and here it is 84. Okay, now see in 63 how many times 2 is coming? Can you find here? See, is there any 2 here in 63? No, there is no 2, so we will put a 0 over here. Okay, now see 3, this 3 here, how many times 3 is coming in 63? 1, this one and this one, means 2 times. How many times? 2 times. So we will write 2 here. Okay, in the same manner we will see 7. How many times 7 is coming in 63? 1 time. So we will write it as 1 over here. Okay, now we are coming to 84. In 84 you see how many times 2 is coming? 1, 2, 2 times. So we will write here as 2. Okay, now 3, see how many times it is coming? Only 1 time. So we will write 1 here. Again 7 is coming only 1 time. So we will write 1 here. Now what to do? This is important, you have to understand this. Okay, now see, this 2 is coming how many times in both of the numbers 63 and 84? One is 0 and another is 2. Which one is the higher one? 2 is the higher one, so we will write 2 here. In the same manner, 3 2 times in 63 and 1 times in 84. So which one is the higher? 2 is the higher, we will write 2 here. Okay, now here both are common, so we will take it as it is. Okay, so now when we will find the LCM, how to find? See, 2, how many times maximum time it is coming? 2 times, so we will write here as 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 3, how many times maximum time it is coming? How many times? 2 times, so we will write it as 3 multiplied by 3. And this 7, how many times 7 is coming? Only 1 time. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 multiplied by 7, let us do it. See, 7 6 are 42, 2 carry over 4, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 becomes 25. Okay, so here 252 will be the answer. Okay, so you can write therefore the required HCF is equal to, that is this one, 21, sorry, this 21, and LCM is equal to 252. This will be your answer. Clear?